We're on the Skre course in Kansas at Shot 3D. We got Adam from Rolling Bones, Kelty from Bullet Arrow, right?
Yep.
All right.
93, Bullet Arrow 93.
So hopefully we don't lose all our arrows and resort to bullets.
Hey, we're in foam.
Sounded good, looked good. One of you is kind of high.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
That looked good.
I was trying to aim right, but I don't know.
Kill.
Yeah, there you go.
You're
right.
Right there in the leg.
You right.
Man, you gotta step it up. You guys came out swinging.
Shoot, I don't know about that.
Watch that tree limb.
Ooh.
That tree limb that I said watch.
Yeah, I just hammered it.
What is this animal?
Water buck.
That's why he's here, to tell me what these are.
Hey, he's gonna come to Africa with me and hunt one of these. Like and subscribe for that video.
Maybe. Oh, low, left, right, wasn't bad. All right, shot 3, what is this, 50, 80 yards?
80 yards to a black bear.
That's good.
That is
Oh, it is a bear. Well, there's a hogzilla that has his head down like that.
He's afraid of it.
Oh, that's, yeah. Pull them as soon
Nice.
as you can.
Nice.
Don't worry about it.
No, you're good. You can pull them.
Oh, I'm definitely showing off.
Show it off. You were the best shot.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Yeah. I think we're pulling 12.
We'll call it. Both 12.
Front limb could be bad also.
90 yards.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's some fun here.
Shot 4. There might be a little bit of a crosswind.
I thought we were next shooting them. Thought that was
Because everybody got blown over.
I thought it was me. I was like,
I heard foam.
Yeah, I think you're in foam. I think you're high on it maybe, but
Ooh,
oh, I still punch it.
got a hinge if you want to shoot it. I think the Scentlok. No, I don't remember what I started with, but I've got the stand resistance.
Money. Golly. You're making us look bad now.
Yeah, your peep is real high too. Huh. Alright, so don't get a prime or you can't shoot range.
Yeah, you cannot.
I don't know if I can drop a pin on this one.
shots, so they know exactly where it is.
To get the sight tape past 100.
What are you using? Because I had a...
Good shot. You're a little low, but you're... If you're keeping score.
Not keeping score. I'm just wanting to...
I bet
You definitely shot better than me, because mine sucked. I'm just glad our left and right was good. You can hold your bow.
Either that or grab the arrows.
This one, yours?
Yeah. 2 to 3 times I drove by. 3 miles from here.
Just to look cool.
I'll be honest, I was...
That's it?
High grade, yeah.
Last grade, 1,000.
Move back.
My last shot sucked so bad. Make sure I don't fall over. Try your best.
Got a little camera intro.
Absolutely. Y'all good? Anybody need? Everybody good?
Get mine out of there.
I can get.
I got an advisor that's got 2 clients. They're getting ready to do.
Right there by me.
We're on shot 820.
Yeah, I got 93 and a
Good
half.
shot.
Leopard, 8 buffalo, and lion.
We can't all be perfect.
We're just, yeah, you know.
Because the camper had a regulator on it, and it got forgot.
So you brought a Blackstone, but not a regulator?
We didn't swap it over.
Oh.
Well, it comes with a regulator on it, but our camper's got like a grill.
Yeah, you're good. That's a good shot.
Trust me.
That was his that was in there, wasn't it?
I don't know. I just even like a trophy. Some of the trophy ones.
Thinking those in there. Those heavy arrows.
Yeah.
You're welcome. You pull 80 pounds like a man, you'll be alright.
I didn't like it. I pulled an 80-pound lift for a few months.
And there's no way to predict to draw that path. And in New Mexico,
Done for around $5 grand. I think my outfitter. You're not gonna, like I said, it just depends. If you start shooting more stuff. Me, dude, I told you.
I know I was. I wanted to have my arrow next to yours.
Did you not?
Apparently.
It went over, I think.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so
It's a heck of a shot right here.
Well, we get back.
first day.
All right, it's in it. I don't know.
20.
It's not 130 yards.
Yeah.
It's closer to the target, just low.
Mine went right.
Well, it was like right here.
Mine or?
It was good height.
my principal, and so it's just cool.
Tax write-off.
A little fee. You get a little penalty of some sort.
It's just like
Nothing to see here. Move along. I about missed it. I got to get my life together.
Doing it as fast as I could.
usually make about 40 grand a month.
That's it.
Yeah.
What is it y'all do?
12,000.
Just grab it. You're good. 15.
I have fifth graders chewing on the microphone and
The wind,
well, they're Texas speakers.
Is that cool?
Never felt like I was cool, man. It does, but your mower only works 6 months a year.
Kansas Union.
Oh, the butt. I don't want it to be a trick.
don't want a brush pile in front of it.
Yeah, your arrow's right there. I'm sorry, man.
Pieces?
Oh yeah, see, there you go.
Did I at least get the
Hey, will you make sure it's done
There you
fall
go.
over?
Hey, $5. You can run that as your shot and
You're
YouTube.
great. Yeah, that's me.
Or send me those QADs and I'll try to get them on film.
Everyone trying to complete their slams, and if I was going to Africa after Cape tiger fishing or tiger,
Tiger fishing.
yeah.
Those are the ones they saw river monsters. The family just raised the hippo. And now she had was sleeping on a couch on their front porch. And then she just had a baby. Can't remember what she was called, but like, so now they sell pigs.
So that sucked. One arrow in the leg out of the whole group. Wow. That sucks.
that wind.
All right.
Yeah.
I think we might shoot scent thief after this and then shoot wild creek tomorrow.